unless you leave some footprints or some blood along the way, or let a mattress know your shape for longer than a day. You move across a world of time invisible as air, and when you're gone, who's gonna prove that you were ever there? A smile, a memory, and an extra shirt are all I have to pack. Outside of that, most everything I need is on my back. I know the room is empty, but I check it just the same, to make sure all I leave behind is my shine.